Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. They see my cars, they see my buildings, they see my success, but they never saw my nights of hunger. They never saw my tears. They never saw the days when I had nothing. Today the world calls me a billionaire, but there was a time when I was zero. Not poor, not middle class, not struggling. I was invisible. No money in my pocket, no support behind me, no one believing in me. Only one thing stayed alive inside my heart, a dream. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt lost? Have you ever felt like the world is moving forward and you are standing still? Have you ever looked at your life and thought, is this all I will ever be? I asked myself these same questions every night. While others were sleeping peacefully, I was fighting with my thoughts. Fear on one side, hope on the other. Fear said, you will fail. Hope said, try one more time. And every single day, I chose hope. People think success is fast. They think billionaires are born lucky. They think money comes from magic. But the truth is, success is built in silence, in pain, in rejection. In moments when no one is watching, there were days when I walked miles just to save bus money, days when food was a luxury, days when I pretended to smile while my heart was breaking. And still, I told myself, one day my story will inspire millions. You may see me now and think he was always special. No, I was scared. I was weak. I was confused. I failed again and again. But I learned something important. Being zero is not the end. Being zero is the beginning. Today, I want to tell you my real story, not the story of success, but the story of struggle, the story of nights without sleep, the story of being laughed at, the story of falling down and standing up again. This is not just my story. This is the story of every dreamer, every broken heart, every person who feels small today. If you are watching this video right now, I believe it is not by accident. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you feel like giving up. Maybe life has forced you to the ground. But listen to me carefully. Your current situation is not your final destination. You don't need to be rich today. You don't need to be perfect today. You just need to keep going. I had empty pockets, but a happy heart. People laughed at my ideas. They said, be realistic. Dreams don't feed families. Success is for other people, not for you. And for a moment, I believed them. I worked jobs I hated. I failed businesses no one remembers. I borrowed money I was ashamed to return. I walked with my head down so no one would see my broken confidence. But inside me, something refused to die. Every failure taught me a lesson. Every rejection made me stronger. Every lonely night trained my mind. I learned patience. I learned discipline. I learned how to stand alone. There came a day when nothing changed on the outside, but something changed inside me. I stopped asking, why is this happening to me? And started asking, what is this teaching me? I stopped waiting for permission. I stopped waiting for applause. I stopped waiting for someone to save me. I saved myself, slowly, quietly, step by step. One idea worked, then another, then another. No fireworks, no miracle, just consistency. Years passed. Pain turned into purpose, fear turned into fuel, tears turned into strength. And one morning I woke up and realized I was no longer invisible. People who once ignored me now wanted advice. People who once doubted me now wanted my story. People who never believed in me now said, I always knew you would make it. They see my cars now. They see my buildings now. They see my success now. But they will never understand the price I paid. They didn't see the nights of hunger. They didn't see the lonely walks. They didn't see the silent battles. They didn't see the broken version of me that refused to quit. So, if you are reading this and you feel lost, if you feel behind, if you feel invisible, remember this. You are not late. You are not weak. You are not finished. You are in training. One day the world will see your success, but only you will know the nights you survived to get there. And when that day comes, you will not say, I was lucky. You will say, I was strong when no one was watching. If this story touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who feels invisible today, and subscribe for more stories that turn pain into power.